to lie about someone, Ukaza ndrabo. To lie to someone, Hwambia ndrabo. You're lying to me, hunambia ndrabo. You're lying about me, hunikaz ndrabo. Why are you lying? Zabarindi no about ndrabo. Why are you lying about? Zabarindi no ukazao fulani ndrabo. Why are you lying to? Zabarindi no wambia fulani ndrabo. You lied about me, hunikaz ndrabo. You lied to me, hunambia ndrabo. You lied about hukaza fulani ndrabo. You lied to hwambia fulani ndrabo. Why are you putting words into my mouth? Zabarindi no wamba ndrongo ikao mimi njazamba. You're putting words into my mouth. Ngwambo ndrongo ikao mimi njazamba. You're putting words into his mouth. Ngwambo ndrongo ikao ye mwanamume woka jazamba. You're putting words into her mouth. Ngwambo ndrongo ikao ye mwanamshe woka akajazamba. Why are you putting words into my mouth? Zabarindi no wamba ndrongo ikao mimi mwenye njazamba. You're a big liar. Japaro na mro mwenza ndrabo harumo hayati unu ya hutende. Fulani is a big liar. Wona ndrabo ndondo kabisa.